Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to work on a cute leopard print peekaboo, and I started out with a prepped and painted cup. I have this painted, I think, vintage blush, and the first thing we're doing is putting a tiny bit of epoxy on, and that's what we're going to use to adhere our glitter. And I'm going to use this it's like a rose gold from Starcraft. Let me get the name of that for you real quick. The name of this glitter is Beach Babe, and we're going to cover the whole cup with it. Now we're going to let that sit and cure, and I did 2 coats of epoxy, and then I cut out some leopard print, and I just place them by hand, just kind of wherever I want, kind of close but not too close together, just whatever you think looks good. I did end up speeding this up for you because this took forever. Okay, once we have all of those placed, we're going to take it outside and spray paint it. I did an ombre. I did that vintage blush color on the bottom and white on top. And after that dries, then we can start peeling those leopard spots off and exposing that really pretty glitter. This also took forever, so I sped this up as well, or we would have been here all day. Even though that took forever, it is super satisfying. It turned out really cute. So after that, I did a coat of epoxy, and then I'm going to put my decal on. And this decal I have, it says faith over everything. And it came with this cross with the flowers and stuff, but I just cut that apart. I cut the flowers off, and then I cut the top part where it says faith over. That way I could fit it on the top of this cup. And yeah, it's see-through. You can see the leopard spots through it, but I think it's still cute, so I went with it. Once my decal was on, it just needed 2 more coats of epoxy and then it was done. Here it is all finished. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.